In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set plot to black and white in AutoCAD. If you've ever sent a drawing to a client or a printer, and it came out in unexpected colors, setting your plot to black and white is the simplest way to get clean, consistent results. We'll walk through how to do it, why each setting matters, and how to save those choices so you don't have to repeat them every time. Start by opening the plot dialog. The quickest way is to type plot in the command line, or press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This brings up the central hub for everything related to printing or creating PDFs. Think of this dialog as your final checkpoint before committing your drawing to paper or file. At the top right, look for Plot Style Table, also called Pen Assignments, from that drop-down. Choose Monochrome CTB. A CTB file controls how colors in your drawing translate when you plot. And the monochrome option tells AutoCAD to output all line work in black, regardless of the layer colors you used on screen. Your line weights and linotypes will still follow their current settings. Only the color is being standardized to black for a crisp professional look. Next, make sure the checkbox labeled Plot with Plot Styles is turned on. This is crucial. Selecting a CTB sets your intention, but this checkbox is what actually applies that style to the plotted output. If it's unchecked, your drawing will ignore the monochrome setting, and you'll likely get color again before finalizing. Click the Preview button. This is your chance to confirm that everything appears in black and white the way you expect. Scan through line weights, hatches, and annotations. The preview should reflect the final result. So if it looks right here, it will look right on paper or in the PDF. If something appears off, it's much faster to fix it now than after plotting. When you are satisfied, click Apply to Layout. This saves your current plot settings, including the Monochrome CTB, to the active layout so the next time you open plot from this layout, those choices are already in place. It's a small step that saves time on every future plot from the same sheet. Finally, click OK to send the job to your chosen printer or to generate the PDF if that's your selected device. That's it. Thanks for watching.